Hey, hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fábio Ourique, and today I'm going to talk about 3 things that will make you rich. Stay tuned for it. Alright, so before I get started, I just want to let you know that I've been reading some cool stuff, and one of my friends here, Dean Clark, he says that rich people know a skill and they know how to multiply. So it's all about having the skill and know how to multiply it. But you need these 3 things that will literally make you rich. So number 1 is awareness. The awareness is how you view the world, how you view things. Now the second thing is the right blueprint to follow. Because if you have the wrong blueprint, you just actually moving far away from it. So following the right blueprint. And thing number 3 is massive action. These 3 things will literally make you rich. Awareness, the right blueprint to follow, and massive action. I'm here in this beautiful place, and awareness, being aware of what you're doing and how you think, how you look at things, it's so freaking important. And there's a lot into it. Being consciousness of what are you doing, and is it bringing a return? Is it the right blueprint? Are you taking action on the right things? Those are things that I've noticed that are so important. And I just wanted to share with you these 3 things. I'm actually camping here near in another island. Here is in São Jorge. It's pretty amazing over here. And yeah, I just wanted to share with you these 3 things. And that once you have a skill, once you know how to do something very well, then you can multiply. And once you're aware of that blueprint, then you can take massive action and change the results that whatever you're looking to achieve. Alright, here from São Jorge, have an amazing day. Believe in yourself. I'm so grateful to be alive, and it's so good to be alive, to be here just in nature. It's so good. Have an amazing day. Believe in yourself. I will see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. You smash the like button. And yeah, cheers. See you in the future.
Yeah.